Today we are standing in the showroom to take a deep dive into the stunning Bailey of Bristol Ford Bailey Adamo camper van motorhome. Finished in a vibrant white color with a rugged long body and bold 4x4 wheels, this motorhome is built for families, adventurers, and full-time travelers who want comfort without limits. Priced at $77,000, this camper promises premium features at a competitive range. In this detailed tour, I'll show you everything, from exterior styling to the washroom space, so stay with me till the end because this one might surprise you. Now let's move to the exterior front view. Standing here in the company showroom, you can immediately notice the strong road presence of this Ford Bailey Adamo camper van motorhome. The bold front grille, clean LED headlamps, and the confident Ford-inspired stance give it a powerful identity. The company logo is proudly displayed at the front, symbolizing durability and long-distance reliability. The vibrant white finish reflects showroom lights beautifully, giving it a premium and modern look. The elevated 4x4 rugged wheels hint that this motorhome is not just for highways but ready for rough roads and camping terrains as well. Moving to the top side view, this is where practicality meets smart engineering. On the roof, you can clearly see the fitted solar panels, designed to provide sustainable off-grid power during your camping adventures. There's also a mounted antenna for connectivity and an AC outer unit to maintain interior cooling during hot summer trips. Everything is carefully integrated without disturbing the aerodynamic shape. The long body structure gives extra roof space while maintaining balance and stability on the road. This setup ensures you can travel longer without depending heavily on campsite hookups. Now let's check out the backside view. At the rear, functionality takes priority. You'll notice a securely mounted extra spare tire, an essential feature for long-distance road trips. Alongside it, there is a carefully adjusted cycle carrier, perfect for those who love biking during their camping stops. The rear door design allows convenient access, and the structure feels solid and durable. Parking sensors and rear camera support add safety when reversing this long-body motorhome. It's clear that every inch of this rear section is built with travelers in mind. Coming to the side view, this is where outdoor living truly shines. On the side, there is an extendable tent awning that creates a shaded sitting area outside. Imagine parking near a beach or mountains and setting up chairs under this tent, instant outdoor lounge space. The long body design gives extra interior width, and storage compartments are smartly placed underneath. The rugged 4x4 wheels are clearly visible from this angle, enhancing the adventurous personality of this camper van. Now let's step inside the driving compartment. The cockpit is designed for comfort and control. You get a detailed dashboard layout with 2 LED screens, one main infotainment system and another dedicated to backside view monitoring. The steering feels modern, and seating is supportive for long drives. Controls are within easy reach, making long journeys less tiring. Visibility from the front windshield is wide and clear, giving the driver full confidence on highways and narrow camping routes alike. Right behind the driving compartment is the sitting and sleeping area. This section is cleverly designed with a sofa-cum-bed arrangement. During the day, it functions as a comfortable seating lounge for family gatherings or meals. At night, it easily converts into a spacious bed. Soft cushioning, overhead cabinets, and side windows provide ventilation and brightness. The layout maximizes space without feeling cramped, which is impressive for a camper van in this price range. Next, we have the kitchen area, neatly adjusted alongside the sitting and sleeping section. Despite being compact, it offers a practical countertop, a small sink, cooking stove, and storage cabinets for essentials. There's enough space to prepare simple meals comfortably while traveling. Smart storage compartments keep utensils organized. The integration of the kitchen within the living space makes it convenient for quick cooking stops without stepping outside. Now let's look at the washroom. Even though space is limited, the designers have efficiently adjusted a small washroom that includes a compact toilet, small basin, and shower facility. Proper ventilation and waterproof finishing ensure durability. It's amazing how well the space has been utilized without making it feel suffocating. For road trips and overnight stays, this private washroom adds major comfort and independence. Finally, let's talk about the value. This Ford Bailey Adamo camper van motorhome comes with a price tag of $77,000, offering solar panels, rugged 4x4 wheels, a full living setup, kitchen, washroom, and outdoor tent system. For adventure lovers looking for comfort and durability, this could be a smart investment. Let me know in the comments, would you buy this camper for your road trips? Thanks for watching RV Road Report. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.